still go to parties in the evening. Yeah, bloody clever, of course, but it's got nothing to do with the real galaxy, is it?
Eclipses. Solar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon is located in a position between the Earth and the Sun so that it covers part or all of the Sun's light. Although the moon is smaller, the shadow of the moon is able to fully block out the sunlight. This is because the moon is an average distance of 384,400 kilometers from the Earth. This is considerably closer than the Sun, which is an average distance of 149,680,000 kilometers away. 3 types of solar eclipse are total eclipse, partial eclipse, and annular eclipse. Total eclipse occurs when, at the peak of the eclipse, the Sun's disk is covered entirely by the disk of the moon. At that time, the moon's disk is as large or larger than the Sun's disk. The sizes of the Sun's disk and the moon's disk vary depending on their distances from the Earth. A partial eclipse occurs when the moon's disk, at the peak of the eclipse, only covers part of the solar disk. During a partial eclipse, there is always a part of the Sun's disk not covered by the disk of the moon. An annular eclipse occurs when the moon's disk, at the peak of the eclipse, only covers part of the solar disk. This type of eclipse occurs when the moon's disk is of a smaller size than the solar disk, so that when the moon is in front of the Sun's disk, the whole of the Sun's disk will not be covered by the moon. The portion of the Sun's disk that is not covered by the disk of the moon looks like a brightly glowing ring. Solar eclipses last no more than 7 minutes 40 seconds. When a solar eclipse occurs, people should not look directly towards the Sun with the naked eye, as this can permanently damage the eyes or cause blindness.